Namaste children. We have already learned how to compare any two given fractions. Now we have two types of fractions, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. When we have like fractions, we can directly compare the numerators and say which is the bigger fraction and which is a smaller fraction, because the denominators are same in like fractions. Now, in unlike fractions, the denominators are different. The denominators are not same. So what should we do? We will take LCM of the denominators and make the denominators same. Then compare the numerators and decide which one is smaller and which one is greater. Another method of comparing two given fractions, two given unlike fractions, is by cross multiplication. So today we will see how to arrange a set of given fractions, unlike fractions, in ascending order or descending order. Let us take an example, a set of unlike fractions, and then compare and see, then arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Now there are a set of fractions, that is 5 by 2, 1 by 6, 3 by 4 and 3 by 8. There are 4 given fractions. All of the denominators are different, 2, 6, 4, 8. So these are called unlike fractions. When you have different denominators, when the denominators are not same, those are called, the set is called unlike fractions. Now the first step is finding LCM of the denominators. Now what are the denominators here? The denominators are 2, 6, 4, 8. LCM of 2, 6, 4, 8. How do I find the LCM of 2, 6, 4 and 8? I write all the denominators and find prime factorization for them. All of the given numbers go in the 2 table, are divisible by 2. So I start dividing by 2. Keep in mind, we always use the smallest prime factor first. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Now I have a 1 here, so I need not divide it anymore. I have a 3, 4, 2 and 4. Now I take 3, 1 is as it is, 3 ones are 3. 2 doesn't go in 3 tables, so I write 2 as it is and also 4. Now I take the next factor, that is 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now the last step, I have 3 ones and 1 2. I still have to divide this, so I take a 2, 1, 1, 1 and 2 ones are 2. Once you have all ones, you can start multiplying and find the prime factorization, that is LCM. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This is your LCM. I write it here, 24. Now what should I do next? Why did I find out LCM? I found out LCM because the given fractions are unlike fractions. The given fractions are unlike fractions. I have to make the denominators same. So my second step would be make the denominators same. Make the denominators same. How do I make the denominator same? Now first take the first fraction. I have to make the denominator 24. How? I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with a number so that the denominator becomes 24. 2 12s are. Now, should I make the numerator also 24? No. I only have to make the denominator 24. So I multiply the denominator by 12. The same number I have to multiply with the numerator. Now what is my resulted answer? 12 5s are 60. 12 2s are 24. This is your first fraction. Next. The next fraction is 1 by 6. Here 6 has to become 24. 6 4s are. So what should I do to the numerator? I have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. 4 by 24. This is my second fraction. Next, I take the next fraction. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 4 multiplied by 6 gives me 24. I have to make the denominators 24. So multiply 6 also. That is 18 by 24. This is my third fraction. Now comes the last fraction. That is 3 by 8. I have to multiply 8 with some number so that I get 24. That is 3. I can multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. This is my fourth fraction. Now I compare all the 4 fractions. What are all my 4 fractions? So I have to compare or arrange 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to compare the resultant fractions, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 60 by 24, 4 by 24, 18 by 24 and 9 by 24. Denominators are same, so I can directly compare the numerators and tell which is small, which is big. Ascending order, small to big. So 4 by 24 is the first one. Next comes 9 by 24. Next is 18 by 24 and the last is 60 by 24. Now I write down the same order. 4 by 24. This is ascending order. 4 by 24, 9 by 24, 18 by 24, last is 60 by 24. But do we want to arrange these fractions or the given fractions in the question? Now 4 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 6 in the question. 9 by 24 is nothing but 3 by 8 from the question. 18 by 24 is nothing but third one, that is 3 by 4, and the last is 60 by 24, that is 5 by 2. This is your final answer, that is ascending order of the given fractions in the question. Hope you have understood how to take LCM and make the denominator same and then arrange all the like fractions in an order. Then accordingly you will arrange the given fractions, unlike fractions, in an order. Now let's look at another set of unlike fractions to be arranged in ascending order. Now the given set of unlike fractions are 1, 1 by 2, 11 by 6, 3, 2 by 5 and 7 by 3. Now we have two mixed numbers and two unlike fractions in this. First, let us convert all of them into improper fractions. 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. How did I get 3 by 2? 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. 11 by 6. Next is 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 5. And the last one is 7 by 3. Now these are the unlike fractions that you have to arrange in ascending order. Now all of these do not have the same denominator, so I have to make the denominators same. So my step 1 will be making denominator same. For that I have to take the LCM of denominators. What are the LCM? What are the denominators? 2, 6, 5, 3. So LCM of 2, 6, 5 and 3. Let us see. By prime factorization method. So I take 2 first. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 5 as it is. 3 as it is. Because 5 and 3 are not divisible by 2. Next I take 3. 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3. 5 as it is because 5 is not divisible by 3. And 1. 3 ones are 3. Next and the last. 5. 1 as it is. 1 as it is. 5 ones are 5 and 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So the LCM of 2, 6, 5 and 3 is 30. Now what is the next step? The next step is to convert all of them into like fractions. How do I convert all of them into like fractions? By making the denominators same. Make the denominators same. So the denominators have to be 30. Now take the first fraction, that is 3 by 2. Now the denominator has to become 30, so I have to multiply the denominator, that is 2 by 15 to make it 30. So I have to multiply the numerator also with the same number, that is 3 into 15, 45. This is your first resultant fraction. The next one is 11 by 6. 11 by 6. 6 should be converted into 30. 6 into what is 30? 5. So the numerator also has to be multiplied by 5. 11 5s are 55. This is your second fraction. Now we go to the third fraction. That is 17 by 5. Now what should I multiply 5 with so that I get 30 in the denominator? 5 into 6. 17 into 6. 5 6 are 30. 17 6 are 102. This is my third fraction. Let's go to the last one. 7 by 3. Now 3 should be multiplied with what number so that the denominator becomes 30? 10. Numerator also has to be multiplied by 10. So I get 70 by 30. Now I have to compare all these 4 resultant fractions. I have converted the unlike fractions into like fractions, and now I have to compare these, then see what to do with the given question. Now we have seen how to convert the given unlike fractions into like fractions. The given fractions were 1 1 by 2, 11 by 6, 3 2 by 5, 7 by 3. We have first converted them into improper fractions, that is 3 by 2, 11 by 6, 17 by 5, 7 by 3. After that, in the second step, we have converted them into like fractions, that is we have made the denominators same. Why do we make the denominators same? To make it easier for us to compare the numbers. Now all the denominators are same, so we compare the numerators. The numerators are 45, 55, 102 and 70. So what is the smallest? 45 by 30 is the smallest. Next is 55 by 30. The next is 70 by 30 and the last is 102 by 30. Now, the ascending order for the like fractions, 45 by 30, ascending order is small to big. The smallest is 45 by 30, the next is 55 by 30, the next is 70 by 30, and the last one is 102 by 30. Now, did he ask in the question to arrange these in ascending order, or the question given in ascending order we have to arrange these in ascending order? Now, 45 by 30 is nothing but 3 by 2, that is 1 by 1 by 2. Next, 55 by 30 is nothing but 11 by 6. 70 by 30 is nothing but 7 by 3. And the last one, 102 by 30. 102 by 30 is nothing but the third one, that is 32 by 5. So this is the required ascending order arrangement. Now let us see how to arrange a given set of unlike fractions in descending order. Descending order means big to small arrangement. Now the set of given unlike fractions are 3 by 10, 7 by 15, 5 by 6 and 1 by 30. Why did I call them unlike fractions? Because the denominators are not same. So the first step is to make the denominators same. To make the denominators same, I have to take the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators? 10, 15, 6 and 30. Now, what is the LCM? First write down all the numbers in a line. Start doing prime factorization. Now, what is the smallest number that I can take to do the prime factorization? Let me take 3. 10 doesn't go in, or let me take 2. 10 goes into table, that is 5 times. 15 doesn't go into table, write it as it is. 2 3s are 6 and 2 15s are 30. The next one I will take is 3. 5 as it is, because 5 doesn't go in 3 table. Next is 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Again 3 5s are 15. The last one is 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 as it is, and 5 1s are 5. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5. That is 30. So the LCM of 10, 15, 6 and 30 is 30. Now let's go to the step 2. What is step 2? Why did we take LCM? We took LCM of the denominators to make the denominators same. That is, to make the fractions like fractions. Now the step 2 is make the denominators same. Convert them into like fractions, making the denominator same. Same as in 30. We take the first one, that is 3 by 10. If I multiply numerator by a number, I have to multiply the denominator. If I multiply the denominator by a number, I have to multiply the numerator also by a number. Now 10 has to become 30, so I have to multiply by 3. When I multiply the denominator by 3, the numerator also should be multiplied by the same number. So this is my first resultant fraction. Now I take the second one, 7 by 15. Now 7 by 15, 15 multiplied by what gives me 30. I have to multiply by 2. Also the numerator, that is 14 by 30. Now I take the third one. Now 5 by 6. 6 multiplied by what gives me 30? Multiplied by 5. So the numerator also should be multiplied by 5. The resultant fraction would be 25 by 30. This is my third one. The last one is 1 by 30. Do I have to multiply the denominator by anything? No, because it is already 30. Now I have to compare 1, 2, 3 and the fourth fractions. What are those? 9 by 30, 14 by 30, 25 by 30, and the last one is 1 by 30. Now I have like fractions. When I have like fractions, comparison is easy. Denominators are same, so look at the numerators. I have to arrange them in descending order. Descending is big to small. So the biggest is 25 by 30. The next is 14 by 30. The next is 9 by 30, and the last is, now we will write down these in descending order. 25 by 30, descending order. 25 by 30, 14 by 30, 9 by 30, and the last one is 1 by 30. But in the question, are these fractions asked? No. So what is 25 by 30? That is nothing but 5 by 6. What is 14 by 30? 7 by 15. 9 by 30, 3 by 10. And the last one is 1 by 30 as it is. This is the required descending order of the given unlike fractions. Now let us see another example for arranging in descending order. We have 2 5 by 6, 7 8 by 18, 4 1 by 4 and 10 by 9. Now when I convert everything into improper fraction, I have 17 by 6, 7 by 18, 17 by 4 and 10 by 9. First I have to convert everything into like fractions. For the first thing is step 1, LCM of the denominators, 6, 18, 4 and 9. LCM of 6, 18, 4 and 9 is 36. Now I have to convert all the denominators into 36 and convert the given unlike fractions into like fractions. So after the conversion, I have 102 by 36, 14 by 36, 153 by 36 and 40 by 36. Now I want to arrange them in descending order. Now when I have to arrange them in descending order and I have all like fractions, that is denominators are same, I look at the numerators. When I look at the numerators, I have 153 by 36 as the highest fraction. Next 102 by 36, 40 by 36 and 14 by 36. But these are not the given fractions. The given fractions are here, which we have converted as unlike fractions. 153 by 36 is nothing but 17 by 4. 102 by 36 is nothing but 17 by 6. 40 by 36 is nothing but 10 by 9. 14 by 36 is 7 by 18. And the given fractions are 17 by 4 is nothing but 4 1 by 4. 17 by 6 is 2 5 by 6. 10 by 9 and 7 by 18 as it is. This is the required descending order. This will be your last statement or answer. Thank you, children.